Zang Tang Sum, the Sum Stanba Jinbe, Tendel Tang Poin. Happy birthday.
Kangri, Ravas Kurfi, Shinkang Su. Pantang Deva, Malus, Juvenas. Chandra Sixon, Stanzin, Gatsui. Japan, Shitte Bardo, Stan Yurchi. Stan Yurchi. Stan Yurchi.
Selim Juba, Ubimi Digzu, Pande Sidon, Kewa, Losan Singijone, Pande Kashaki Sumjin, Jananku.
라제 스시 쪽에 직대 시대 대배 사대계의 용적이 나다 감숨 취획이 개보 별 강진 종기 하게 파우저 직대 봉주 미 넘버를 봐 범위 용기 권잡타 라나메 우티 진호 고스 잠겨 좀 쳐라 부자다다 잡리긴 되기때 다는 시 범위마 지디 현조기 소소 의배 군내 넘버 3만랑에 다른데 공수초기 구이 중간이모 가샤 섭 취재 상만의 닝탁반의 첨리대시대学이 시제 족존의 숭대 자로 낭두브레 디비데오 칼랑이 가샤기 숭대 이메네야 자로낭 모어 토네 베게 토네 직직이 学他 아다나시 인게 토네 직직이 需求제人对学业，근데做书写那个不难写的，们是拼命去用那，那么上个比去，今年去用那了，当然是怎么领的那了，谈的推高了，控制桥嘞，各进钱，要嘛的，现在陆续套呢，是不一百呢，搭配那了，俺们都。 당ser 다 통셉 춘주시네 신부지기 낭미를 통체 굴롱아 페베까블라 군대 주시부 치부초기 양시 문지나브레 아다나시 공로 주루 페데까블라 다 야나마베기 멍미 별라 진순치에기 냥가 첨부 용데베까블라 아니 첩시기 개차산 시로나 체체 배쳐가 숨 용네 어지기 린디슈브레 아디 제수 아니 배 알로판 베네즈일라 아니 진숭 체체 아니 굴루니 섭숨 페베까블라 진조라 페고 충브레 디디까블라 아니 간주 수수 룽부쇼 사바체 다나시 딱 진조 조여데 카블라 딱 남다야다 사 마도치 비디키 라가란 소치 레와켑사 치 메브레데 이네야 콘도초키 꿀레 꿰체 콩기 까지 냐지레 데체 토마 진주 조르비데 카블라 당부 롭드 쭈브레 데네 시자 쭈브레 데네 곤데 카 쭈브레 타롯 납중압게 체수 둠데 시베 이베이나 테세브시다레 페나 신톤 차샤 이베이나 단대차라 제주날 범위 여번안에 로툭주 마답시비 이베이나 이기 뒤로 신이 야저 굽주 곱시지고 대디 야간 낭네 토알 방글라데시레 토알 파유레 토알 파키스탄레 토알 디윈디오 갑랑 안수 캡슈서 룽바다 김제 야컵레 이기 뒤로야 신이기 야저 두르바 이바이나 야저 토아차이디 konsu초기 까질 때네 토마라네 마온선을 초라 시 개침을 쓰고르다 세체 깔롬나와나시 미도게 먹고레 꿰체 둠데미 셰와 차데 다 시작할 시비네야 난수 벤조다 지조 내다 점링 지용기 겹주 사약 축주 여스고래 디나네 베미 딕주 더블 슝 차추슈 요마래 슝이네 차추슈 벤종네다이네 야가 the capture Saya Tunane, Nanzu Neda, Yaksha Chai, the Imbea, Konzu Gagong Shisung, Sishu, Gematsogi, Gule, Gunche, Gadil Dene, Chungshabche. Tan Namasangi, the church of Imbea, Janagi, Pur, Zinsung, Chesavi, Jesu, Toma, Purgi, Gondeka, Torshitan, Guzi Benjir Mucheki, Yidu Tiduna, Gobshi Sung Re. Boneka Gajuk Gubju Koke Torshitan, Genduba, the Zuma Gajuk Gubju Kogu, the Tagu, Genduba Zuma Mebseche, Koranso Pe, Gedi Jursa in some. Pumi Inea, Namasangi Vichula, Teva Machine, somebody Samche, Gagatops, some Rete, Tande Chala. Pe Nala, Namasangi Vichu, Tarbe Chungtovadi, Kondoshoka Tenere, Yaga Nala, Namasangi Vichu, Garso the Tarbe Chungtovadi, Kondoshoka Tenere, Mase, Zamli Yonala, Namasangi Vichu, say Indo Kabla, Teni so in Beinea, Chedong Sigue, Sigur Sigue, Lopso Lenche, Rode, Kondoshoka Teni, Indo Kabla, the Gani Dige, Namia. Nanzu Jeo Mare, Cheji Shui. There Chepsi Tony Bainea, she say Nanzuta, Napchunga Lopa Nizu Chabrete, Zamlinchi Yonal, Kondo Choki, Jacob Sinzi, Silu, Jedenawa, Dana she Jakab Guti, Jedenantuba, Nawe, Gadil Dene, Pedun Corne, Kodo Petoya, Pedun. Koni Bainea, Zamli Yona, Nanzu Jabju Chimboratoya, Pemi is Siduhala, Gokane, Rotuya de Bainea, Kongo Gadil Ten, Chuyu Kabla, Nanzu Zenjul, Mimbun Yungshi Yomare, Zamli Nala, Pegi, Zadundi, better than Masuni, Shuk Tosha Chade, Kongo Gadil Ten, Chungshabadilla, and Taringa, Tungagi, Kugab the Juche, Ning Tawane, Gadin Chess, Shui Long. Inea Lopa Menizu Chigla, Turkey Jedamba, Nungshi Chigda, Pimiri Chigi, and Chipsig, Ragotapche, Rodegore. They go on in Tangane Shusabai, a control same Shungasola, Twin Namia, Pimitiksun Keling Mare, Twin Dagdu, Touching to Moga Chigre, Sheshe, Shueti, Imenea, Koranzo Nungshi Chili Omare, Kondoshuk, Zeba Chileti. Zamli Yong, Luguna, Quay Chade, Hug, Luguna, Lugu subject. Kate Chichu Chai de Gabla, Nungshi Chig, Temishu de la Halia, Zani Omares, Inea Mutu, Zavani Chigme, Cheche, Shuezo de, and Tarinde, Lada Mimane, Kondochol, Tinshu, Piati, Haleve Kevasambure, Kansana, Zamli Yona, Kondocho, Dindishunge, Mamushare. 시작하니 베네 데니슈게 마무시다레 이네야 라달라 로다르시 페야타 달레 믹스 나마소 틴슈 페야티 할레베 소남 쳔부레 이네야 다 틴슈 페베갑라 간 사메 투메나이드레 멜럼 교회드레 콘도조 꾸제린 문네바 쇼스 가나스나 니멘치 콘도조 꾸제린 문네바 이네야 회 자들라 아장자 나마상기 비체라 아장자 점링 시대 용야라 점링라 상주다 창생 폐리야라 할레베 펜도 첨부 유구 유도여 갑라 창매기 투면남과 신도 계셔무시다네 이네야 투면남과 자 뒤다도 공주초 깔로디 일에 장외 토네 라자르셰디 다나시 개첨부레 마도 공주초 꾸지리 부대버 쇼셰체 멜람데 yap 이네야 라다르나야디 니리 공부셰단 라다르나야디 공주초 가운시조 마베베 임베이나 자원이 디기 요마레 디윈데요 갑라 아니 공주초 깔로 디게 이네야 수수라 페야 능미라 페야 지조라 페야 야갑라 페야 점링 용라 페야 깔로는 게 유데요 갑라 깔로 디게 일라 장외 토네 마제베 토네 인지 미지 라다나로나 셰체 슈에조 데이 데네 아 공주초 구제는 군내바타 아니 배 시제 냠종기 니모 강조 용어 쇼 셰체 면디的자 아니 벽에 토네 시야디 대참샤기 두체
Your Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet, would like to congratulate you and wish you an 82nd happy birthday on this very joyous occasion. I would also like to acknowledge the President of Ladakh Buddhist Education, Councillor and Executive Member for being very kind in your speech and for being supportive of the Ladakh Buddhists as a whole and Tibetan people in particular. And I would also like to acknowledge Dr. Sunam Dawalumula, Chief Councillor of Ladakh Hill Council, for giving an impassioned personal speech, including requesting His Holiness give you chillap to control your temper. Hopefully, after you visit, your temper will be down and the council members will appreciate a lot. And the credit will go to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. On this joyous occasion, I want to say, this beautiful land of Ladakh is very lucky. The Ladakhi people are very fortunate because we are with His Holiness, celebrating his birthday and also wishing His Holiness the Dalai Lama live long. Because His Holiness office gets invitation from around the world. Many powerful people, organizations, including Tibetans. But Ladakh is the only place where His Holiness keeps coming every year. So people around the world, including Tibetans, are quite envious of people of Ladakh. And even His Holiness Dalai Lama goes to United States of America, but he spends a week, at most 2 weeks. But in Ladakh, he's spending more than a month. But I'm very happy to share that as the Honorable Speaker of the Tibetan Parliament said in his speech, that what His Holiness Dalai Lama has contributed for the humanity, for the world, for India, for the Buddhist people, for the Tibetan people and Ladakhi people cannot be compared. His achievements and contribution will be etched in the history of the world, will be etched in the history of India, will be etched in the history of Tibet. He was born in a Taksir village, in a remote village in Ambo, in Tibet. At the age of 5, Tibetan people recognized him as the 14th Dalai Lama. At the age of 16, when Tibetans saw danger of invasion from China, the People's Republic of China, Tibetans all over Tibet prayed, beseeched for His Holiness to take over the political leadership. At the age of 16, he was the only hope we had who could protect us. At the age of 23, after the occupation of Tibet, when we lost our country, we had to come to exile. At that time there was a saying, we had only sky and the land as our friends, but nothing else. But at the age of 23, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, as per his vision, supported by the Tibetan people, worked hard to create Tibetan schools, Tibetan settlements, Tibetan monasteries, and Tibetan administration. Now, as I shared in Tibetan, the literacy rate of Tibetan people below the age of 60 is 94%. It's better than India, it's better than Bangladesh, it's better than Nepal, it's better than Pakistan. So what His Holiness has envisioned, implemented by Tibetan people, has led and grown as far as education is concerned. As far as Tibetan settlements are concerned, compared to 60 million refugees around the world, Tibetan refugees are considered the most efficient and self-reliant community, including by and Indian government officials as well. As far as Buddhism is concerned, not only we have revived in India, it has spread across the world. And not only that, after the occupation of Tibet, the Communist China thought and planned and executed to destroy Tibetan monasteries and nuns. 98% of monasteries and nunneries were destroyed. 99.9% of monks and nuns were destroyed. Communist Party of China thought Buddhism is gone, Tibetan civilization is gone, Tibet is gone, Tibetan identity is gone. But in 60 years, they are proven wrong. Buddhism has revived back in Tibet, thanks to the leadership of His Holiness Dalai Lama. And not only that, Buddhism has revived in India, including in all the Himalayan region, including Ladakh. This is some achievement that we must cherish, because if you go by the history of India, from 2nd to 13th century, Nalanda Mahavira was there. But in 13th century, it was completely destroyed. Along with the destruction of Nalanda Mahavira in India, decline of India also happened. It's not just a coincidence. When Nalanda Mahavira was thriving, India was among the #1 in economy, #1 in civilization, #1 in defense, and #1 in spirituality. With Nalanda University destroyed, India's status in the world also declined. But thanks to the Tibetan Losavas, translators, who came to India in 7th and 8th century, they learned Sanskrit. They translated texts of Buddhism in Tibetan language. So in Tibet, we preserve the Nalanda tradition in its most comprehensive form. That also was destroyed in 1959 and 60s by the Communist Party of China. But now, Nalanda tradition has revived back in the land of India, where it was destroyed thanks to His Holiness Dalai Lama's leadership. And Nalanda tradition is also alive and thriving in the Himalayan region. In 1960s, there were few Tibetans who thought we should go more modern, we should go more scientific, and shun tradition and Buddhism. Now, those people are proven wrong. I hear few people in Ladakh also thought the same. Now, Buddhism has revived in Ladakh, thanks to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Now, with the Buddhism in Tibet and the Himalayan region, our identity is alive, our identity is recognized, our identity is respected. This is key to survival of Nalanda tradition and our common civilization. Not only Nalanda tradition now, the Buddhism is appreciated by scientists around the world. They study Buddhism to understand way of life, to understand happiness, to understand pain. They thought with modernization, with development, that will bring happiness, but including America, they are coming back and saying, with all the development and prosperity, how come our people are not happy? Happiness is not simply materialism and modernism. Happiness comes from within. Hence, the study of mind is key. And the study of mind, the most comprehensive study of mind, is only there in the Nalanda tradition, preserved by the Tibetan people under His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Because for which His Holiness the Dalai Lama is awarded 150 awards, including the Nobel Peace Prize. His Holiness the Dalai Lama has authored around 100 books, through which millions and millions of followers around the world are following his teaching. Through the teaching, they understand Buddhism. Through this teaching, they understand Buddhist civilization. Through this teaching, they understand Tibetan cause as well. Hence, he is welcomed and met by many presidents, prime ministers, and kings and queens of different countries. Actually, there are several surveys done. In some of the surveys in different countries, His Holiness is more popular and more liked than their own president, prime minister, or the kings or queens of those countries. So His Holiness the Dalai Lama definitely is the most liked, most respected person on this earth. Hence, the Chinese government also should see His Holiness the Dalai Lama as the solution to the issue, not a problem. And I hope
the Chinese leadership will carefully consider the middle way approach, which is supported by the United States government as well, and through which what we seek is genuine autonomy, which is a win-win proposition for both China and the Tibetan people. Finally, I want to end by saying that His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the beacon of hope for the world. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the light of harmony for different religions. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the manifestation of Buddhism or Buddha compassion for Buddhists. And His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the life and soul of the Tibetan people. JRC and Tibetan people are forever linked. Dalai Lamas and the Tibetan people are inseparable. As long as there is Tibet, as long as there is Tibetan people, there will be JRC, there will be Dalai Lamas to elevate the sufferings of the Tibetan people and the Buddhists around the world, including our brothers and sisters of Ladakh. With this, I pray and wish on behalf of 6 million Tibetan people that may His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet live more than 113 years, live for a very, very long time. Thank you very much.
Tukjeche, Dr. Lobsang Singhes Kumdunla, Sungshatma Gyaspa Success La Sing Takpan Tukjeche,